Good afternoon, folks. Mike Wells, your World Explorer. Today is September the 17th, 2023, and we're going to take a look at our Yardlong beans. Right now, I am going to harvest the dried bean stalks, like what you see right there. So we'll just come in here. All you need are literally some kid scissors. Let's get right to it. So we're just going to come in here and snip it right there. We're not going to snip it any further back or forward. And then I'll just grab that stalk and we'll place it in a bucket. I'm gonna grab as many of these as I can right now, and then we'll show the yield. All right, folks, here's the yield. You couldn't tell there were this many beans in there. There are still some that are in development, so this whole setup is not done yet. But all in all, I'm pretty happy with this yield, considering how late we got started in the year. Let's go pinch these apart and get some seeds. Okay, we got our bucket here full of seeds, or seed pods. Now all we're going to do is pretty much break these and pinch the seeds out, just like that. You'll feel the seeds. You can't miss them. Broke. There's a seed. Some of the seeds will be eaten by insects, but we don't seem to have many that have done that to our seed stock. So it's very easy. Not very hard at all. Now we'll do this until we're done with the entire bucket, and this will be next year's seed stock. So we'll continue this, and I'll show you the full yield. And there you have it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, as that helps the channel grow. And stay tuned, as I'll keep you updated on the progress of our Yardlong beans going forward. Have a great day.